soften the body through calm and conscious will. Muscles return to natural ease as effort grows still. When tension releases its hold, movement begins to flow. Energy travels freely from head to toe. Nothing forced, nothing strange, just allowing the shift. The body responds to gentleness with balance and lift. Ease restores the body, flow moves through every part. Blood travels freely and steadily from mind to heart. A gentle choice to soften, a moment to allow. The body finds its rhythm here and now. Circulation brings renewal when pressure fades away. Vitality returns through softness, not effort or delay. The mind grows clearer as the body lets go. Movement becomes natural as harmony starts to grow. Ease is a chosen practice offered with care. The body responds with balance when softness is there. Ease restores the body, flow returns again. Energy moves without obstruction through body and brain. What softens regains strength, what rests regains power. Gentle stillness renews the system moment by moment, hour by hour. Stillness supports circulation, softness supports life. The body remembers balance when freed from strain. Ease restores the body, chosen consciously. The mind clears, the body balances.